Hello, Mila, hello. How are you today? Good? We are playing today with Finding Dory, Dory's aquarium truck. And it's a remote controlled car. Look, it has different fishes in the aquarium and Dory. Dory herself with octopus Frank. So Mila, let's open it and see.
Wait.
Ta-ta-tam, tam-tam-tam.
Mila.
Finding Dory. We have not seen Finding Dory, but we are going to see it soon. Ta-da! And here is the remote control. Oh, look at this amazing remote control. It looks like Dory and it has a clip at the back. Two buttons. Now, we have to open it and install batteries. We have to cut one cable and now we have to install batteries. So it needs batteries for the remote and batteries for the car itself. Three AAA and two AA batteries. So look at this amazing truck. Can you see? Dory is inside and Frank. And we can close this door. And there is an aquarium inside. And let's close it.
No.
You want it to be open? Let me open it for you, okay? Like this. Marine life. Yeah, there is aquariums with fishes, 4 aquariums. Wow, Mila, you are what? Holding on your hands? So, Dory, we installed batteries into this aquarium truck and now it can go. Dory and Frank going backwards. Oh. Whoa! Frank is a cool driver. True racer. Mila. Okay, get it back on the table. Now, Frank and Dory. Come on, come on, come on. Woo! Oh, backwards, Frank, come on. Oh, Mila. Our awesome friends are suffering. You have to be careful. To do. So we have this remote control where you push one button, it turns, and the other one, it goes forward. And Frank with Dory are inside, and Frank is a driver. Okay, let me. Dory? So you see we have this door opens and there is aquariums in there. So again, I'll show you the remote control. Hello, hello, I am Dory. I am Dory. I am Dory. Hello. Mila. Hello, I'm Dory. I am happy to see you, all boys and girls. While Mila is fixing my truck, I am here talking to you.
No.
No? Uh-oh. Come on, it's not working. It fell and it broke. Let's see again. Give me a try. It's not working.